Hello, the purpose of this video is to show you just how easy it is to upload your 4-H demonstration or illustrated talk into the FlipGrid format. Hope you enjoy. Before you begin, there's 3 things you'll want to think about. First of all, make sure you know what you're going to say. Note cards aren't required, but they sure are handy and will make your presentation smoother. You're also going to want to have at the ready your county flip code as well as your login information. So if you don't have a FlipGrid account, you can easily create one. You just need an email address and you need to create a password. Finally, think about your format. I'm going to show you how to record directly into FlipGrid as well as how to take your PowerPoint that you've created, narrate it, and upload it as a movie or an MP4 file. To record directly into FlipGrid, you're going to open your favorite browser and you're going to type in flipgrid.com. When you get there, it's going to look like this. You'll come down here and enter your flip code. Each county will have their own flip code, but I'm going to enter mine. This is not the one you would use, but this is just for demonstration purposes. So you enter your code and then the interface is going to look like this. Up here there are different topics. So the first one is just the recording of how to upload to FlipGrid. If you're a junior or intermediate, you'll want to come down here to enter your recording. And we've set it to 3 minutes. So to record directly, you'll just click on this green circle with a plus sign. You're going to log in either with Google or your Microsoft email. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. I'm going to log in through Google. And once you're logged in, the screen is going to look like this. And so to record directly into FlipGrid, you will hit the camera button. It'll give you a countdown. Hi, my name is Heather Kent, and I'm recording a demonstration on how to record directly into FlipGrid. Now that's as much as I'm going to do, so I'm going to hit next. But you can redo it if you need to. It'll ask you to take a selfie, so smile. It'll take just a second to prepare your video. You can write your name up here and the title of your demo. And submit. You can download it if you want, but you're done. Now, if you have prepared a PowerPoint presentation for your 4-H illustrated talk, you may prefer option 2 for FlipGrid. And so instead of recording your video directly into FlipGrid, you can upload a narrated PowerPoint into FlipGrid. Now to do that, you'll just pull up your PowerPoint presentation that you've prepared. You're going to want to click on Slideshow at the top menu, and then you'll want to click on Record Slideshow. And you'll want to record from the beginning. Once you've recorded everything, you're going to want to save your presentation as an MP4 recording. So go to Save As, and you'll find the location where you want to save it. And instead of saving it as a PowerPoint, you'll click on MP4 down here, and that will save it as a video. So once you have that saved as a video, you'll simply navigate back to your FlipGrid page. Okay, and so just like before, you'll want to click on the green circle with the plus sign. And this time, instead of recording directly into FlipGrid, you're going to click on this button right next to the camera button that looks like a box with an arrow pointing up. And so you click on that, and you will click on this dotted line box and select your PowerPoint presentation that's been saved as an MP4 video. And then you'll be all set. Just like before, you can snap a selfie if you want, or you can choose a thumbnail from your video presentation, and you are good to go.